Tom, are you awake? Come here. Look at this.
I am awake. I need my coffee first. What is it?
It is a house listing. I found it online this morning. It is beautiful.
Let me see. Wow, that is a big house. Where is it?
It is near the park. It has a large garden and a two-car garage.
A garage. That is great. I hate parking on the street.
And look at the kitchen. It is modern. It has a big island.
It looks expensive. How much is the asking price?
It is a little high, but think about our apartment.
I know. This apartment is too small for us.
And the neighbors upstairs are so loud. I heard them fighting last night.
I heard them too. I could not sleep. We need to move.
Exactly. But can we afford this house?
We have some savings in our bank account.
Is it enough for the down payment?
Maybe. We need 20%.
That is a lot of money. Do we have good credit?
Yes, our credit score is good. We pay our bills on time.
So we can get a mortgage loan?
I think so, but interest rates are high right now.
We should talk to a loan officer or a real estate agent.
You are right. Let's go to the bank today.
Today? Are you serious?
Yes, why wait? Let's see if we can buy our dream home.
Okay, I will get dressed. I'm so excited. Tom, hurry up. The bank opens in 20 minutes.
I am coming. I'm putting on my shoes.
Do you have the documents, the tax returns and pay stubs?
Yes, they're in my bag. Ow.
What happened? Did you hurt yourself?
No, it is my tooth. It hurts.
Your tooth? Is it the one from last week?
Yes, but it is much worse now. It is a sharp pain.
Let me look at it. Open your mouth.
Don't touch it. It is very sensitive.
Tom, your gum is swollen. It looks red.
I can take some pain medicine. It will be fine.
No, it will not be fine. You have an infection.
But we have to go to the bank, the house.
We cannot go to the bank if you are in pain. You need a dentist.
Dentists are so expensive. Do we have the money?
We have dental insurance. Where is your card?
I think it is in my wallet, or maybe in the drawer?
Find it, please. I will call the clinic.
Wait, maybe it will go away. Let's wait 1 hour.
No, if we wait, it will get worse. Then it will cost more money.
You are right. I don't want a root canal. That is very expensive.
Exactly. Prevention is cheaper.
Okay, call them. Ask if they have an appointment today.
I am dialing now. Please sit down and rest.
Sorry, Sarah. I know you wanted to go to the bank.
It is okay. Your health is the most important thing.
The dentist said I was lucky. It was just a small cavity.
See, I told you. Now you feel better.
Yes, much better. But my mouth is still numb.
That is the anesthesia. It'll stop soon. Let's go home.
Okay, I'm driving. What is that sound?
I hear it too. It sounds like a metal noise. Clunk, clunk.
That is not good. Is it the tire?
No, the tires feel fine. It is coming from the engine.
Oh no. Look at the dashboard. The temperature light is on.
The car is overheating. Pull over, Tom. It's dangerous.
I am trying. There is no shoulder here.
There, pull over there quickly. Sound of car stopping and engine dying.
Great. Just great. Now the engine is dead.
Do you see any smoke?
Yes, white smoke is coming from the hood.
Stay inside. Don't go out yet. It is hot.
I think the radiator is broken. Or maybe the water pump?
Can you fix it?
No, I'm not a mechanic. I don't have tools.
We are stuck here in the middle of nowhere.
We need a tow truck.
Do we have roadside assistance?
I don't think so. I canceled it to save money.
Oh, Tom, why did you do that?
I wanted to save money for the house.
Well, now we have to pay full price for a tow.
Call the garage. Ask them how much it costs.
This is going to be expensive.
I know. First the dentist, now the car. What a day.
The tow truck driver said we have to wait 40 minutes.
40 minutes? It is so hot outside.
At least we are safe. Sit on the curb.
Sarah, I'm looking at the bank app on my phone.
Don't look at it. It will make you stress.
I have to. We need to pay the bill.
How much was the dentist?
After insurance, it was $150.
That is not too bad.
But the tow truck is $100.
And the car repair?
The mechanic said it could be $400.
So almost $700 total today?
Yes, $700 gone in one day.
That was our money for the deposit.
We cannot buy the house now.
Maybe next month.
No, it will take months to save this money again.
We have an emergency fund. We should use that.
That fund is for emergencies. This is an emergency.
I know, but I wanted to use it for the house.
We can use the credit card.
No credit cards. The interest rate is 20%. That is crazy.
We have no choice. We don't have enough cash right now.
I feel so tired. We work hard, but we lose money so fast.
It is life. Expenses always come up.
I guess we stay in the small apartment.
For a little longer. I am sorry, Sarah.
Don't be sorry. It is nobody's fault.
We are finally home. I never loved this sofa so much.
It feels good to sit down. My feet hurt.
The car is at the shop. The mechanic will call us tomorrow.
At least we're safe. And your tooth is fixed.
Yes, the pain is gone completely.
Are you hungry? We didn't eat lunch.
I am starving, but we should not order food. It is expensive.
I agree. We need to save every dollar now.
What do we have in the kitchen?
We have eggs and some bread and noodles.
Let's make noodles with eggs, simple and cheap.
Sounds delicious. I will cook.
No, you sit. I will cook. You handled the tow truck guy.
Thank you, Tom. That is sweet.
You know, I was sad about the house earlier.
Me too. I really liked that kitchen.
But sitting here with you, it is okay.
We have a roof over our heads. We're lucky.
And we have a plan. We will save again.
Maybe I can get a part-time job.
No, don't worry about that yet. Let's just survive today.
Okay, step by step.
Exactly, step by step. Now, let me make those noodles.
Can you add some spicy sauce?
For you, of course.